Do you all want to create unlimited image to video? Absolutely free, without any credits or limits. Yes, you heard that right. But first, let me make one thing clear. This is not clickbait, and it's not a sponsored video. Because today, I'm going to show you a mind-blowing AI tool that literally turns your static photo into a motion video, completely free, without any watermark, and in just a few seconds. Now, you might be wondering, wait, how is that even possible? So listen carefully. This tool is called Veer AI. Veer is an all-in-one AI platform where you can not only make image to video, but also use text to image, image to image, context editor, image tools, and many more powerful AI features, totally free. And yes, you'll find the tool link in the description box. As soon as you open the Veer AI website, you'll see the image to video option at the top. Just click on it. Then click on Generate Video from Image. Now upload your image, any photo you want to turn into a video. After uploading the image comes the most important step, the prompt section. Here, you'll see two options, basic prompt and camera prompt. First, let's talk about the basic prompt. Here, you need to type what you want in your video. For example, if you want your image to move in a cinematic style, you can write cinematic camera movement, slow motion, soft lighting. If you're confused about what to write, no worries. Just click on the auto prompt button on the side, and the AI will analyze your image and generate the perfect prompt for you. Now let's move to the camera prompt. This is an optional feature where you can specify what kind of shot or angle you want, like high angle, low angle, etc. And if you'd like, you can again press the auto prompt button and let the tool suggest the best camera angle for you. Below that, you'll see a few more settings like video format, video length, frame rate, and video dimension. These let you control your video's output, meaning you can decide how long the video should be, in what resolution, and in which format you want to export it. Once everything is set, just click on Generate Video. And within seconds, Veer AI will turn your static image into a cinematic motion video. As you can see on the screen, the result is super smooth, detailed, and realistic. Honestly, it's hard to believe that something like this is possible for free. Trust me, this tool is miles ahead of most other AI tools out there. Now it's your turn. Go try Veer AI yourself and bring your photos to life. If you learned something new from this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the AI Explainer channel so you don't miss the next AI video. And yes, if you want to explore more text-to-video or image-to-video AI tools, check the description box or click right here. I've already listed all the best tools for you there. Thank you so much for watching.